Being with AMP Aero since it was founded 4 years ago has given me a unique perspective on how companies grow and evolve from the ground up. Hi, my name is Nitika Arora and I'm a senior support specialist at AMP Aero Services, working from our Delhi office. My role involves overseeing various financial processes to ensure smooth operations. My professional growth at AMP Aero has been significant. I started in a support role and have since expanded my expertise to manage complex issues and lead key initiatives. I plan to lead larger projects and potentially oversee operations that involve multiple departments to help AMP Aero grow on an international scale. I really value the supportive atmosphere at AMP Aero. It's empowering to be a part of an organization where professional growth is encouraged and everyone is committed to excellence.